100x on the 17. Congratulations, my diamonds. To all those had a straight up bet on the 17, you just made 100 times your money. Saint Tilt is asking, what is the best bet in roulette? A responsible bet. Saint Tilt. Understanding the game, understanding the risks associated with the game. And of course, gambling within your limits. That's the best bet. 30 red, 100x. Good luck. $28 black, rounds winning number. Santil said, what makes you responsible? All right, Santil, let me tell you about responsible gambling. So in responsible gambling, you never bet more than you can afford to lose. You always have winning and losing limits. You never chase your losses. That's what makes you a responsible gambler. 22, 26, 34, 50, 100, and 200x. Right there. 29 black, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely amazing values. Take it away. 1,600 euro. Top winner right there for Rabbit. Chakra, Yas, and other top stars. Really, really gorgeous.